So hello everyone, we are back again, and in this video we will discuss about various modifications in insect antennae. We have already talked about basic structure of insect antennae in another video. So in this video we will discuss basically about various modifications. As we can see from this figure, so this is flagellum, the uppermost part, the basal part is scape, and in between there is pedicel. So this is basic structure, and in this video we will discuss about various modification in insect antennae. So first type of modification in insect antennae is arrested type of modification. This is arrested type of modification in which pouch like with lateral basals. So lateral basal are present in which a arista is present. Arista is a projection. So this is this is arrested type of modification, and arista is projected. So this is arista which is projected dorsally. So from the third segment, so this is basal segment, first segment, second segment, and this one is third segment, and this arista is projected from third segment. So this is arrested type of modification which is present in case of house flies and belongs to order Diptera. So this is arrested type of modification, which is first type of modification. The second type of modification is capitate. Capitate in which clubbed, the antennae are clubbed at end. So examples are butterflies. From this figure we can see the antennae are clubbed at the end. So this diagram can clearly visualize how these are clubbed at the end, and butterflies belong to order Lepidoptera. So this is capitate type of modification in insect antennae. The another type of modification in insect antennae is clavate type. So this clavate type, we can see the gradual clubbing in case of clavate antennae. So this is the clubbing is gradual. So this is present in case of carrion beetles, which belongs to order Coleoptera. As from this figure also we can see. So the clubbing is gradual, and abrupt clubbing is in case of butterflies. So this is clavate type of modification in case of insect antennae. The another type of insect modification is filiform type of modification. In this filiform type of modifications, the antennae are thread-like. These are thread-like, present in case of cockroach. We can see cockroach belong to order Coleoptera, and no, sorry, Blattaria, and ground and longhorn beetles belong to order Coleoptera. Cockroaches belong to Blattaria. So this thread-like antennae in case of filiform antennae. So these individual small segments are similar in size. So filiform type of antennae modification is present in case of cockroaches. The another type of insect antennae modification in geniculate type. In geniculate insect modification, the last segment is similar to perpendicular. So this is forming a 90 degrees similar to our knee. So this is similar to hinge or bent like elbow. These are present in case of bees and ants. So belonging to order Hymenoptera. From this figure you can see and visualize how this angle is similar to, these are bent like our knee, and sometimes in full fold this can go up to 90-degree angle. So this is geniculate type of insect antennae modification, which is fifth type of we have discussed from this slide. And the another type of insect antennae modification is lamellate type, as lamella means leaf. So the antennae modification at distal end are similar to leaf like, as we can visualize from this and from this both images also. So these are beautiful images, and we can visualize the lamellate type of insect antennae which are present in case of scarab beetles, which are belonging to order Coleoptera. So these are clubbed antennae. These are clubbed antennae with nested plates. So these are plates at the end, and the end segment is pedicel. So the pedicel segment will be similar to leaf-like modification. So this is lamellate type of modification in case of insect antennae. The next type of modification is moniliform. In this moniliform modification, we can find the bead-like structure, bead-like shapes present in case of insect antennae, and from the third segment the beads are present. So from this figure we can see These all are beads and present in case of termites. So this is image of a termite, and the termite belong to order Isoptera, and the bead like shape is present in case of moniliform type of antennas. And the another type of modification we will so the another type of modification is pectinate antennae, and the pectinate type of antennae are present in case of coleopteran beetles. Coleopteran beetles like fire colored beetles. So this is a fire colored beetle, and the pectinate type of antenna. Pectinate type means comb like structure is present in case of pectinate modification of antennae. So this is comb like, similar to comb like. From this figure we can see, and the examples are fireflies and fire colored beetles. So belonging to order Coleoptera, the pectinate type of insect antennae modification is present. The next type of modification is plumose type of modification. Plumose type of modification present in case of moths, and in plumose type of modification, the antennae have a feather-like shape. Antennae have a feather-like shape and present in case of moth belonging to order Lepidoptera, and also in case of mosquitoes. So this is an antennae of mosquito which are similar to feather-like structure we can see from this figure, and from this image also the feather-like structure are present in case of plumose type of modification. So the next type of insect antennae modification is serrate type of antennae. Serrate type of antennae, and in case of serrate type of antennae, the antennae are saw-toothed, similar to saw-like. From this figure we can see, and these are saw-toothed, and these are very fine at the end. So these are present in case of click beetles. As from this figure we can see, this is an example of click beetle belonging to order Coleoptera, and the serrate type of antennae are present in case of click beetles. So these are saw-toothed shaped. Next type of modification in insect antennae is Cetaceous, and this one is last. Cetaceous type of insect antennae modification is bristle-like shape present in case of Cetaceous type of modification of antennae, and these are present in case of dragonflies and damselflies. Dragonflies and damselflies having Cetaceous type of insect antennae, and these belong to order Odonata. This belongs to order Odonata. From this image we can see these are very small bristle-like shape antennae, and this figure is also somewhat bristle-like structure of antennae. So this is all about various type of insect antennae modification and various characteristic and their characteristic feature. So this is all. Thank you.